Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 1st of August, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.18. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 30.71%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.71% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the center of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of -28.33% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -41.17% to +5.92%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a -25.46% change over the next year, with potential returns between -32.40% and +53.21%. This equates to a price range of approximately $13.61 to $30.84 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel reveals a notable change in its stock rating. The stock has been upgraded from a strong sell candidate to a sell candidate following the trading session on Monday. On that day, the Intel stock price decreased by 2%, moving from $20.54 to $20.13. During the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of nearly 3%, ranging from a low of $19.95 to a high of $20.54. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased on 6 occasions, reflecting an overall rise of nearly 4% in the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive indicator, as volume trends typically align with stock movements. On that day, trading volume dropped by 11 million shares, with a total of 57 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.15 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.84. Currently, the stock is approximately 60.74%, or $31.15, below the 52-week high. It is also about 70.95%, or $49.16, below the all-time high recorded on January 24th, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel Corporation, identified by the ticker symbol INTC, has been navigating a challenging environment recently, particularly as investor sentiment has been unsettled by geopolitical tensions. Reports of a Chinese military aircraft entering Japanese airspace, along with a Russian aircraft's incursion into Polish airspace, have contributed to a decline in artificial intelligence-related stocks, including Intel. Furthermore, Intel, facing a substantial loss of $1.6 billion, has enlisted the help of Morgan Stanley and other advisors to prepare an activist defense against potential shareholder actions. The company has seen its stock value decrease by nearly 60% this year, heightening investor concerns regarding its competitiveness, especially in the rapidly changing artificial intelligence market. As the technology sector faces mixed signals, Record highs in broader markets, contrasted with underperforming individual stocks, the implications for INTC could be significant. In the short term, these developments may lead to volatility as markets respond to ongoing geopolitical events and corporate strategies. In the long term, how effectively Intel can confront its challenges with activist investors and regain its position in the competitive artificial intelligence landscape will be critical. If they succeed, this could restore investor confidence and drive a recovery in stock prices, but continued difficulties might further hinder stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned INTC a sector-weight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated INTC with an overweight grade and also issued a hold action. Moving to Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs reported a buy grade for INTC, accompanied by a hold action. On that same day, RBC Capital downgraded INTC to a sector perform grade, also issuing a downgrade action. Lastly, on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, BMO Capital assigned INTC a market perform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and consider the price-to-book ratio also a buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Intel stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $20.79 and $26.75. A breakout above either of these thresholds will trigger buy signals. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 7th, 2024, and so far, it has risen by 6%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 18 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 21 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a sell signal from 25 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 104 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 112 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $20.11, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, and due to a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved 590 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 2.96%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 3.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at -2 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $20.49. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a potential point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $20.11. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August, 2024, Patrick Gelsinger conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Patrick Gelsinger made another insider purchase of 7,500 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, David Zinsner conducted an insider purchase of 6,503 shares of common stock. On that same day, David Zinsner also executed an insider sale of 3,225 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 31st of July, David Zinsner sold 6,503 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 1.05. In total, insiders purchased 453,394 shares and sold 439,116 shares in these last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Intel stock a good buy? Currently, Intel exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 27th of August, we anticipate that Intel will open at approximately 7 cents and begin trading at $20.21. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.